Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2017 Honda Odyssey Touring. Now the most notable features on this Touring is its power sliding rear doors. You also have your DVD player and your navigation system. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you a bit familiar with this 2017 Honda Odyssey Touring. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Touring is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and then taking a closer look, you also have your parking sensors. Over on the side, you have your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, integrated signal lamps, foldable mirrors, heated mirrors, and then I'm just going to quickly show you just what your second row is going to look like here. So, as you can see, you have those 3 seats. And then taking a look in your third and second row there, you also have the sunshade visors, just so you can block out some of that sun. Up top, you'll see the DVD player, and then you'll also find the close button just located on the inside here. All you have to do is push on it once and it will close for you automatically. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is white, and to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your gray leather interior seat surfaces with your power driver seat with lumbar support. Over on your left hand side, you're going to see your close buttons for your power sliding rear doors, power liftgate, release, and then you also have your parking sensors with your traction control on and off. On the inside of your driver's side door, you have your seat memory controls for your driver 1 and 2. You have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your mode select, volume control. You also have your seek function, and then just looking at here, you're going to see your Bluetooth connectivity with your voice recognition. Over on your right hand side, you have your cruise control settings as well as your menu controls. Now you do have that push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, just taking a look up top there, you will see that you do have an exterior temperature gauge as well as your range. And then if you hit the button just located down below here, you'll be able to see your average fuel economy as well as a couple of other additional settings in here as well. Taking a closer look at your center dash as well as your touch panel display, you'll see a couple of different options on here. Now your controls to actually control the screen are just located down below here. So as you can see, you have your navigation system as well as a digital clock, but then if you go inside your settings menu, you'll find your nav settings, phone settings, camera settings, as well as a couple of other additional features inside here. Now, down below, you'll see the heated seat controls for your driver and passenger, hazard lights, dual zone climate control settings. You'll also find that you do have the rear temperature controls located down below here as well. Taking a closer look here, you have your audio controls here with your AM, FM, as well as your CD player, mounted to an automatic transmission. You'll also find your USB and auxiliary input with your power outlet as well as your auxiliary input down here. Now, taking a look just at the top here, you're going to see your open and close for your power moonroof, and then you'll also find the integrated garage door opener controls with your sunglass case holder. You'll also find you have an additional mirror on the inside here just so you can keep an eye on the kids just while you're driving. And I'm just going to quickly show you just what the backup camera looks like. So, as you can see, you have those nice, you have that nice back view of the vehicle just so you can see your surroundings, just making things a lot easier for you when you're trying to back into a stall at a tight parking lot. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on your rear bumper, you're going to see your parking sensors just located right across. Located on the back here, you'll find your backup camera just underneath your Honda emblem, and then your rear hatch release as well. Now, I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. But as you can see, you have a 60-40 split for your third row. So if you do need the additional space, it is available to you. As you can see, if you do have all the additional passengers, you still have a lot of storage space just located down below here. Now, if you want to actually fold down these seats, all you really have to do, pull on this piece here, we'll fold it down for you. And then when you're all set, just pull on this piece here again, and it will tilt it back up for you, and then you can leave it at the desired position for yourself. Now, if you want to fold it down into the floor here, the instructions are located just on the back of the seat here. So if you do forget how they actually fold down, they are on there for you. The other thing I like is that you do have that power tailgate, so all you have to do is push on the button once and it will close for you automatically, making things much easier for you, especially when you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions on this 2017 Honda Odyssey Touring, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.